In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Discord language on the PC app quickly and easily. If your Discord is showing the wrong language, or you just want to switch to a language you're more comfortable with, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Discord PC app on your computer. Once Discord loads, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your user area there, along with the settings icon. Go ahead and click the settings icon to open your Discord settings panel. Now that the settings menu is open, look at the left-hand menu and find the option labeled Language and Time. Click on that section to open the language settings. This is where Discord lets you change the display language for the app interface. Next, you'll see a language drop-down box. Click on that box to open the list of available languages. Discord supports multiple languages, so you can scroll through the list and choose the one you want to use. Take your time and select the language that matches your preference. As soon as you select a new language, Discord will immediately refresh and update the app to display everything in that language. You do not need to restart anything manually. The interface should switch over right away, and you'll see the menus, labels, and settings change instantly. If the app doesn't refresh right away, just give it a moment. In most cases, Discord applies the change automatically within a few seconds. After that, you're all set and ready to use Discord in your selected language. So just to quickly recap, open the Discord desktop app, click the settings icon in the bottom left, go to Language and Time, open the language dropdown, and select the language you want. Discord will refresh immediately and apply the change for you. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.